So my first entry, meant to man qualify.
Okay.
And then audition in my summer to my coffee war.
Oh.
Yes. It was like the way echo weights and then immortal.
We're immortal way.
Yeah. Who them papa he was into training.
Oh, okay.
He was an ex-military man, so he was into training. On big inspiration, but no MFA. But maybe one guy from our village there, no the rate na anybody in it no MFA. So that another acid, then let me also start something out. Somebody can even tell your mom like no but then my mom also likes it, and then she also keeps inspiring. And then the uncle training now.
Yeah.
These are the things it's a we wouldn't get to this standards. And then yes, and then BBI our EBC Tobara na as area.
Abaya.
Yes, but German or education be brave. Monty as and on Tiasi. Ibia, 1 year to the Ronnie Coma.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you already know, my name is MG, but you can call me Mensaga guy. So I'm here with Charlie, one of the biggest guys, Charlie, one of the strongest guys we get for Ghana here right now. Charlie, Wako, Ghana strongest several times. Charlie, says this year, the most experienced strongmen guys of world Ghana. We can never take him out of the game. So Charlie, I will let him introduce himself. I will have a few questions as we do already. I have a few questions that I will ask him, and we get to know him more. We get to know the reason why he started working out. We get to know the reason why out of a lot of the categories of strongman. So without wasting time, I will introduce Immortal. Charlie, hey, Charlie. This is my dream body. So if people they see, this is my dream body with that. Charlie, Immortal, how about you now look at
Charlie, normal vibe.
Charlie, now who didn't Immortal? I be sign for Immortal.
Actually, Mizina Ankasa the Richard Abrokwa.
Oh, okay.
And then the Immortal or Immortal Big Rush. Initially, never get a Big Rush.
Yes.
But then the Immortal or Ebenezer was chilling.
And
I didn't with at the moment.
Oh, okay.
How it happened, it was like the way echo weights and then immortal.
We're immortal way.
Yes, and then I think I'll make you progress. So.
Oh, because Charlie, wonderful. So Charlie, how about you know Oma started working out?
Actually, growing up, Papa he was into training.
Oh, okay.
He was an ex-military man, so he was into training. On big inspiration, but no MFA. But maybe one guy from our village there, no the rate na anybody in it no MFA. So that another acid, then let me also start something up.
Yeah. So normal started. Yes. So how many years have you been working out?
Probably me started, since 2015.
2015. Yeah. So 2015, Charlie.
Only intense work
and everything. Oh, okay.
Like intensive, We started at the menu Ghana strongest. One
more when you are okay. Oh, that's nice. And see, so far now I started training. What are the challenges? Because challenges is one of the things that a lot of bodybuilders or strongmen in Africa or in Ghana, you face a lot of challenges because Charlie, one task, we get people where they train, but still say I don't say into other challenges next start since 2015 up to now. Do on this thing, other challenges they face.
At a point, somebody can even tell your mom like, but then my mom also likes it, and then she also keeps inspiring. And then the uncle training now.
Yeah.
These are the things. It's a we wouldn't get to this standards. And then the injury aspect in the training, Charlie. least mistake ebe pra ono so botum egu abro mu ne ade ewa obi botum aka Ronnie Coleman ma wire yes but Jim no education bebre wo mo nti ase no nti ase ibi aye wanye te the Ronnie Coleman ibi so aye we wu mpo eja no ho nti honey na ka
nti aba advice na edebe mankofo based on you see in summer wakakani achale obi si na ekwa gym a ukote be kakaba obi si ekwa gym a ebe pra ehura no komo de wire ebi si na ekwa gym a wo maso so na ebe gani nya ebe lose like I know that there were a lot of misconception about the gym like in nkofo different mentality so wo aba some na ebe ka che dem nkofo no wo dem adwini nia as obi a train from 2015 to now it means that I train actual inti aba adwini na dem aba like advice na dem dem nkofo no
enum nsumpo a obotuma atramu ma ewu yes and then bibiara ye bia no awa ebesi ebotobara na ehu aza area no abedinti na start mreya na ma ye ni ana mreya ni bibiara ho bia ehu nti se ehu da me yama na I think that say nyama wan ka say nyama motivation there ma start mezre ko hin enya onu gina ho no ma ewia ebohu de ode esua nyama bebre wo enya no just like that say aye na nkofa ajo awagba ajo do de azeri orukodo o ye fie wo yeah obama waso abende no that let me dig in and then find out nyama bi owom so obeya da me samsam na work ka fa ho no bibiara wo negative aspect da me samsam na work ka fa ho no onko bende even if entum ntwa no a ebo control
so it means that asema Kenya and before they start to work training or there esua ade efi ade ni mo onye de ele ye keke
no ye nje adesua da
or dey esua ade okay that's nice that's a very good advice so I will hold on for the new guys now waba no one question there I will hold on for them but abadu now or like ome ekede epede enter into strongest
so you started from 2015 one model kono na ye ndama o me fede ma so metide obi rekede akwe only a few yes nti ye ndama ye na ezeko but then it got to a point Amina Ebenezer was yelling up no you saw what you can do Charlie no why don't you give this thing a try so my first time entering the competition on no mama pressure then no call in fact no musro yes but then on mama pressure and he even took me outside Ghana my ekwa Togo competition ma okọ ono no boost him there no chere mo yes no
ebetuma ye
ti ma me ye bi
oh okay
yes
all right oh okay
na dame coming into strong money now no start with Ebenezer and then madan asusu bebre we boy me nua won bebre serious me to me ngina be bia me kade no
Charlie shout out chilling shout out Charlie chilling obi aye kana asem no ye currently Ghana strongest
yes
he be the current guy Charlie Ghana strongest when you be right now he be the current guy he be the current strongest guy where he come from Tadi Charlie shout out to all Tadi guys Charlie don't more you wanna join there Charlie down there no be Accra then Kumasi ude Charlie 32 kilos no but just that you know above somewhere munti ya di above somewhere ka munti ya edu ya di but Charlie kilos today you the bab yeah okay and so far like Echo Ghana strongest now how was the reception out like from the audience and things honestly so or no or then
so my first entry you know meant to man qualify
okay
and then audition in my summer to my coffee wo
oh
yes a deadlift yes my coffee and then me fina me feel no omo mbosu an yema bebre sisi ade me system me be a deadlifter I eat far away
before
yes and me start deadlifting pa no nsu da because me nim there no mo be nti the me yema ina aka education some na
yeah
challenges you know the me attempting to be the strongest first time you know you good na year competition no mama ti ando bi mpo rekede yi na wase no ho yazenia you see that vibe no etia oye me dem a then or there you become push yourself to somewhere and then currently mutu market da mon confo ni sisi a no ye na we fans who who there area oye won fi or there Charlie the boy na we do them style yeah ti da men some no even so now we quite competition be better obi oyi na no yes you want to me but that's in some be them na
if I push you
yes I'm sisi ano on yam there the means I'm no umbrella no rather no motivate me then I have to work on myself and then get out.
Yeah. So what is the way forward? Like after Ghana Strongest, do you have plans? Say maybe if you have competition outside Ghana and outside the zone, I bet still where they compete.
Oh yeah, definitely. Me too, and I'm one Marco Togo, Marco competition. I think I came second from there.
Oh, that's nice.
Behind the business at Amos.
Okay.
Yeah, so me too the main experience no. Boost me there. No, not there. If you want me bohu the video and put a challenge, I can't know do but competition as no
different. Yeah.
You go unto my domain
yeah.
But if you be so yet crowd na
no motivate you there, Charlie. Yeah.
The me many now no ginger me there. Yet be ya beko.
Yeah.
Ebia imbre no nso but ebia you good ya maybe something.
Yeah.
But yet ya beko.
Okay, that's nice. And see, my next question will be based on new guys that will start to work out, new guys that will start to training. It can be any form. Everybody lose weight, everybody gain weight, everybody a strong man, everybody a bodybuilder, everybody a cross fitness. What is the little advice? As will be a trainer, and what is the little advice at the Bama one?
Obiara, all our best start to be behind in the minimum motivate or start.
Yeah.
And then say to my started mama obi engineer chilem brown ase yeah so know how, why you started it and then where you want to go and then just continue doing it so just oyedin yeah obi obakacha the training in yedin oyedin ye mu minimum put
me aspect ntere sikasam no like Charlie bodybuilding ko funim there Charlie bodybuilding Charlie oye etutu asem fu na ade na oye da ma de ntere investment or was there or something simple.
Game way Niska into me yeah. Just imagine there a day if you have to eat like 6 times a day, let's say per meal be 50 cedis simple. That means you are going like 300 cedis every day.
Charlie.
And you may be in bed.
Supplements in count, gym subscription count.
Everybody can be alarm bed. So will be about to nature of academic yes, definitely. And you're not a woman, you're no more. Obi is skinny. Obi out to train when everybody be skinny.
All right.
Yes, they were investing to their own self into now.
Won't you? Okay, so Charlie, final words to the young guys now who started training. What are your final words to them? To then summarize everything to them.
Mama Canada, Obia or started the animals or started. The reason why I started, so Mama be and give up, and then you just have to work towards it. But you still have to push it up and then continue doing it.
Obey. So Charlie, a bit on my social media handle and on every side, just so that they can follow you now. Once you Charlie watch your videos now, I want to open the way that I want to Charlie they can follow you then things.
I think on FB I'm there with Richard Abrokwa, and then same as Instagram, and then TikTok is Immortal Big Rush. Yes.
Oh, okay, Charlie. And see, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly try and subscribe to my channel, and you can share this video for other people to watch. If you have any comment, you have any person that you want me to record or do interview with.
Jim Bros. I say, in fact, when you see your bro doing something, and you just have to, the little you can, you just have to also help in a way. Yeah, I think it wouldn't do anything just to subscribe or something. So everybody should check out, go and check him out and then subscribe as well.
All right, Charlie. Immortal, that's there, Charlie. I a blessing to us. You hope there. You bring out more and more, and we'll do more interview. I'm hoping there in future. Menu be training one day, so naturally a grease him kakra, strength him kakra. Now